Now I can concentrate on cooking, frying chicken and boiling egg and every other thing. Hi blessed people, welcome to another JD weekly vlog. It's exactly 8 days since I had the baby. We are back home doing fine by the grace of God. Today is his naming ceremony. In my church, when you have a baby 8 days later, the church comes over to your home, or you go with the baby to church and name the baby. So today my pastors and a couple of people from my church, my children's unit members, some of them are going to be coming over to the house to name the baby. So I woke up early. I did my usual pumping. I pump breast milk so that I can have good supply and good storage. I'm showing you guys my postpartum care. I am currently on antibiotics and Fesfol, and then the baby is of course on Uvesterol. So I woke up this morning, took my meds, did some pumping, ate, and then went ahead to give the baby a bath and then began cooking. Vlog, guys. Today is Joshua's naming ceremony, so we are cooking in the kitchen. It's been long. I held my camera like this to film, so I feel awkward. I want to organize these packs. We're going to be serving just dry stuff in these packs, so I want to start making the things that will go in here. Not a lot of things. I ordered most of the things. The things we're making in the house are easy things, so let's go. That's how many in total?
Of these children as a caretaker. Many parents don't even know. They don't know who their children.
This is a pure case of I don't buy egg tray now, my egg remain. My egg is finished. Look at that. Oh my god. I don't buy egg tray now, my egg remain. It's just like buying fuel and then waiting for car to come. Mon Dieu, that looks beautiful. I love it. So it's currently 2 days after Joshua's naming ceremony. So yes, his name is Joshua. His name is Joshua Kamdem Wepngong, which is our family name. Yeah, it's 2 days after, and I realized that I didn't really vlog much. Normally I would vlog and be very detailed about things like this, but for some reason I had not been vlogging before this day, so vlogging didn't come to me naturally. Like, I kept forgetting, I kept keeping my camera, and just in the midst of everything I had to be present. So it's been a while that I've not really vlogged like that. A lot of the videos that I'm putting up are videos that I filmed earlier, so yeah. And that's why even like the stay in the hospital, the giving birth process, I mean, I had decided I wasn't going to film the labor and delivery experience. But if you followed me when I had Daniel, you know that I filmed everything, like everything. I did an unboxing of some items that I got both online and offline. Stay tuned for that video. So I'm just installing some of the things like the egg tray, and I kept on making fun and saying that I have bought an egg tray. Now is the egg that is left. I finished up all the egg in the house before I decided to open up my egg tray. So yeah. Oops. You should have been here. Well, let's see. They are getting taller, except for Daniel. It's a little high. Read now, let me hear. Papa, you can read upside down. Your book is upside down. You are still reading. Okay. Smart book. Ethan, why did you give him this book? Where's his own book that has alphabets? Let's see what Daniel is reading. Questions young people ask. Answers that work. Oh my god. This is not the book for Daniel. No, the other one is for you people. Daniel needs a book that has alphabet. Mama, you can sit down and read now. Why are you moving and reading? Yes, you have your ABC book now, so. Mommy. Yeah, you're holding it upside down. Good. Turn it. Good boy. What's this? What's that? What's this? This one. What's that? ABCD. No, Papa. What's this? This thing. What's this? This one. This one. Hey, why are you putting tea over the baby's head? Are you supposed to give me tea? Wonderful. Take it away, Daniel. Go that way. Go that way with the tea. Don't put things over the baby, please. Papa, keep your book. You read later. It's just warm now, or is it hot? Hot. You have not even tasted it. You have not tasted it. Daniel, hold the cup well. Hold the cup well. Tati, you made such hot tea for Daniel. He cannot even hold the cup. L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Good job, Papa. Yes, turn another page. You need to sit down, you'll tear your book. Continue reading, Mama. Islam is run away from trouble. You should read more now. Where's the word? The. You read it as what? What?
Dead.
I've told you that you pronounce your last sound well now. Not
Dead.
So. Dead. The. Let the sound.
Dead.
So start the word. Concluded. Good job. I'll continue reading. When you finish, you tell me what you have read on this page. Go now.
And they said that 150
No. CH. Why do you want to see dollars? Do you use the dollars in your country? There's no dollars. That's not the. CH, we read it as what? CH, we read it as what? Th. So why is it every time you want to read it, you read it as the? It's not the. It's th. The. Thousand. Thousand what? Read as you are seeing. You have missed out one sound. I'm not getting So join the R and the E. Nai, not na-I. Naira. Which country uses naira? Ethan, which country uses naira? Nigeria. Careful, Papa. You need to go and ride outside where there's space.